Hi everyone. Here the question it is given as a certain mass of hydrogen is changed to helium. So by the process of fusion, the mass defect in fusion reaction is 0.02866 U. The energy liberated per nucleon is, we have to calculate. So 1 U is equals to, for nucleon, generally it is the energy for liberated, it is 1 nucleon, 1 U is equals to 931 MeV. So now in the option it is given as 13.35 MeV and 2.67 MeV, 26.7 MeV, 6.67 MeV. So here we are considering one atom. It consists of nucleus and the electrons are revolving. So here nucleus, it is number of protons and number of neutrons are present. Combined it is called as a nucleons. So by using of Einstein mass energy relation, E is equals to mc square. So delta E is equals to delta mc square. Delta m is here mass defect. Then mass defect it is mentioned as Z. Delta m is equals to Zmp plus A minus Z Mn minus Mn. Z means nothing but a number of protons or electrons present in the atom. And Mp is the mass of the proton. And plus A minus Z. A minus Z gives us a neutron number, that is a mass number minus Z, that is a atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number gives us a neutron number, A minus Z. Mn is the mass of a neutron minus M, capital N represent as a mass of the nucleus. Mass defect, it is defined as the mass of and constituents of individual particles which are present in the nucleus minus of mass of the nucleus. So original value of mass of nucleus is differed with when we are considering the constituent masses. So that it is called as a mass defect. Delta E is equals to delta mc square divided by E. We have to calculate what? Energy liberated per nucleon. That's why we are dividing with a number of protons and neutrons which are present in a nucleus, that is a mass number we have to consider, A. So now here it is already given as an energy, that is a mass defect value 0.02866 U, and C square it is taken as an, instead of that in terms of mega electron volt, 931 MeV divided by A. Here it is changed into as what? Helium. Helium is consist of helium 2,4. It is helium is 2,4. We get it as a mass number is how much? 4. So therefore it is 4 is equals to, now 0. This we can take it as 2.866, isn't it? Divided by 1, 2, 3. That is 28.66. Make it as 28.66 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 into 931. Take it 1, 2, 3. Instead of that, it comes as an 0.931 will come MeV. So now on round figure this becomes as 29. On round figure of the 28, make it a cancel of this, 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are into 4.1 something, will get it as 7.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This 0.9 it is there, 1 I am taking MeV. .9 it comes as an after round figure, we will get it as MeV. This minus 3, and here we shifted 3 decimals, this comes as plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 goes on, so it comes as a 0. So 7.1 into 1, that is 7, approximately 7 MeV. So for this answer we have to note which of the following is nearly equal to 7. One is 13.35 MeV, it's wrong. So 26.7 MeV wrong, 2.67 MeV wrong, and here is 6.67 MeV is nearly equals to 7. So we, by this way we can calculate the right answer. So right answer is fourth one. So the calculator is not allowed for NEET and JEE. So by just simply taking a round figures of this, we can calculate nearly equals to that value whenever there is a large difference in an answers. If it is nearly equal, then don't do it like this. Okay, follow the other method. If they are nearly equals to there are large differences in their answers, then you can go by this method. Understood? So nothing I have changed, just I have taken whatever delta, that is delta m value, I have kept 0.0266 u divided by 4 I am taking because per nucleon we have to calculate it into 931 MeV. I am just shifting the decimals for this. So making this as 1, 2, 3. So 3 times it is 3 decimals I am shifting, that is 28.66. This comes 28.66 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0. This I am taking as backward direction. 1, 2, 3 means I am multiplying by 1000. This is 10 to the power of minus 3 and this is 10 to the power of plus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 3 goes off. So remaining this division 4 and 28.66 terms. So 7.1 into this 0.913. Its round figure is 1. I am taking just simplify that 1 into 7 something else nearly equals to 7. Here the decimal value will come, that is 6 point something else, but generally round figure makes us easy to find the answer. So fourth is the right answer. Got it?